Let's start a cooking card multiplayer demo. Here a new temporary multiplayer block is created for us which will expire in 10 minutes. You can share the block with your friend or open it on multiple devices. I will open it in 2 different browsers, so we can see the changes are synchronized across both browsers in real time. Multiplayer blocks consist of JSON documents which can be edited collaboratively. You can edit any part of the JSON document and the changes are synchronized automatically. Let's start by changing the heading of the document. As you can see, I've changed the heading to "This is title." It is immediately updated in both browsers. I can also do the edits from the second browser. The edits are pushed to all devices. Now, we can see this card was created about 30 seconds ago. The creation time is stored in the timestamp property of the JSON document. Let's reset the time by setting it to 0. You can see the time is displayed now as beginning of time in both windows. Let's play with the up and down votes. When I click on the thumbs down button, you can see the counter is increasing in both browsers, as well as in the JSON preview. The information in the JSON document can also be deleted. Let's delete the down property, the up property, and also delete the whole votes object. Below the real-time JSON block there is a tutorial. Let's follow the steps. The first task shows us that the JSON block is real-time and can be edited inline. In this next task we will use the multiplayer API to read the block from the database. We can open this multiplayer block in the browser. You can see that the multiplayer block consists of metadata, like ID, timestamp, and version, and the real-time document part, which can be edited collaboratively by many users at the same time. We can also use this simple curl command to load our multiplayer block in the terminal. Let's copy-paste it into my terminal, and execute it. We get the same result. The API returns our multiplayer block, which consists of some metadata and the real-time JSON document. Let's go to the next task. In this task we will change the name of the card author to Hello World. To do that, we need to execute the replace operation at path/user/name, where we set the value to Hello World. You can see, now the value of the username is Maria Mamma Mia. Let's copy the curl command which will execute our replace operation. I copy it in the terminal, and I click enter to execute. The response contains our multiplayer block, the metadata, and the real-time JSON document, where you can see the username is now set to Hello World. You have probably also seen that the name on the card and in the JSON preview has changed to Hello World in the browser window. By the way, the username is also updated in the other browser window. You can trust me, or verify it yourself by going through this demo on finalfloat.com. Let's close this task. In this next task we will insert a new tag into our document. To do that we use the add operation. We specify the path of the operation as /tag/-, where minus means that it will be inserted at the end of the array. And the value of our tag should say home and it should have a red background. Now I will copy the curl command into my terminal window. You can see there is only one tag in the card, which says cooking. I click enter to execute the curl command. And you can see immediately the home tag with a red background was added and it appears instantly to all devices which are connected to this multiplayer block. As a follow-up, let's say we want to move our newly created tag to the first position. For that, we will use the move operation. We will move a value in our JSON document from /tag/0 to /tag/1 location. Let me copy this curl command to my terminal. I execute it. And you can see the home and cooking tags have switched places. Let's close this task and go to our final one. All operations on multiplayer blocks are stored. We can see them by following this link. Here at the bottom you can see the last operations we performed. Switch tags places. Added a new tag. Changed the username. And of course, we can execute this curl command to see the operation history in the terminal. Thank you for following this tutorial. Remember, collaborative editing is required not only if you want to allow multiple users to edit the same document, but also if you want a single user to be able to open and edit the same document from multiple browser tabs or from multiple devices.